Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I just received the package from Takealot. Super excited for this item. I've been planning on getting it for a while. Sorry that the tag is torn. I removed a bit of the tag, as you can see. It had my full address and I didn't feel like sharing it. Anyway, so I know what it is. I'd just like to share the unboxing experience and then also give you a small impression of the item and what it looks like and whether or not you should go for it. Later after this video I might do a little review so you can see how it stacks up against other products. It's currently on special. I'll leave the price in the description and a link where you can get it, so enjoy. Alright, let me open it. I don't have any fancy knives. Or let me just give you a little 360 of the box. So let's Takealot. Nothing really there. Takealot. Yeah. Alright. So let me just open it. Get rid of the paper. Yeah, I got 2 sticks of RAM. Sorry for the light. Let's just focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, so it's DDR4 4GB RAM with it's a 2400 megahertz or 2400. Yeah, it's a well-needed upgrade. So let me just see if I can get this thing open. Just throw it to the side. Focus. There we go. So I believe these come with a lifetime warranty, limited lifetime warranty, not sure what that means, but I'm sure it's gonna last. So it's the RAM stick, nice black, but it's not one of those LED ones. Alright, it's got a little heatsink on it. I think it's just for aesthetics. They do advertise it as budget gaming RAM. Just get in there. Alright. You can pause the video to read the descriptions. Alright. So inside the box or inside the case, small little booklet, probably how to install it and so on. Throw it to the side, not needed. And then a small little sticker, a HyperX sticker. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah. So that's my unboxing of the HyperX RAM. Alright, just to show you where I got the RAM. I don't know if you can see. So that's Takealot. So that's RAM I got, HyperX Fury 4GB 24MHz DDR4. Originally when I ordered it, it was 345 Rand. I see it's gone up a bit. It's still a decent price for 4GB, especially with the heating. Yeah, so they leave a small description on Takealot. Just to point out, this is not a sponsored video. I've got no affiliation to Takealot. But if you do want to buy something and you don't feel like driving out to one of the stores, you can order it from Takealot. If they've got stock in Cape Town, it takes between 3 to 5 days. This actually, I ordered on Sunday, so it's taken 2 days to get here. Let's see, anything that stands out. They do say that it automatically overclocks up to 2666 megahertz. Yeah, it's normal DDR4 RAM. Just make sure when you order your RAM that it's not so dim, which is meant for laptops. Yeah, internal 4 gig, internal memory type DDR4, memory clock, speed 2400 megahertz, component for PC / server, memory format factor 288 pin DIMM, memory layout 1x4 gig, cache latency 15, memory voltage 1.4 volt, speed plating gold. Yeah, let me just zoom in. Yeah, so like I said, I'll leave a description in the video, and like I said before, please like and subscribe, help grow the channel, and I'll hopefully do more unboxing and review videos of hardware. So that's what it looks like in the box. I do have another 2 generic RAM in the box, also 4 gigs. Also, just to point out, what I've learned is that if you have RAM that the megahertz is higher than what your board supports, most of them do downclock to the maximum amount of megahertz you can take. But like my board only supports 2400, so that's what I took. Normally also you would pay a bit more the higher the megahertz, and also the more the higher. Sorry, my piece is just switching on. Yeah, that looks quite nice, black, nice and stealthy. Just zoom out a bit. Those are the RGB fans that I reviewed the last time. The Aliolus M2s, still going strong. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll hit you back with a small review. Thanks.